Hello everyone. I'm going to have an unboxing for you right now from a company called Dotz. Dotz at Home. Now, I'm not actually sure what the difference is between Dotz and Dotz at Home. If you know, please leave me a comment. The website is Dotz at home.com. So I originally went on their website because I wanted to get some more Dotz paintings, and the ones that were in the store I wasn't a huge fan of. My very first diamond painting that I ever bought was a Dotz, and it was just this little tiny thing, but it is what got me into my passion for diamond painting, and their quality is really great. So I went on their website and I got this. Ended up getting a few other ones, which I will unbox for you at a later date. Are you guys ready to see what this is? There it is. It is Borealis. The design size for this is 20 inches by 16 inches. It is an expert level. On the side of the box here, it shows you the diamond area and the design area. It is a partial drill, so the black where the trees is will not be diamond painted, just the aurora borealis in the sky. There are 24 colors in this. Their box is more of a flat rectangle instead of a square all the way around, which I think is interesting. So I'm really curious to know what this is going to look like when I open it up. So this diamond painting kit includes a beautiful Dotz at home decorative crystal. So I'm excited to see what that looks like. This is an all-inclusive diamond facet art kit. Add some sparkle to your world. That must be their motto. On the back, it says, quick, easy, and fun to do. Just use the Dotz at home stylus to pick up a dot and place it onto the matching square on the sticky print. And it shows how diamond painting works. It says, follow the Dotz at home chart. Picking up is easy and sticking down is fun. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Kit contents are 1 high quality color printed fabric piece, fabric size 59 by 49 centimeters or 23.2 inches by 19.3 inches. Like I said, the design size is smaller, and I don't remember what I said that was. 20 by 16 inches. Also includes 1 Dotz at home stylus, 1 craft tray, 1 wax caddy, and 1 comfort grip, 1 Dotz at home decorative crystal, diamond 4.41 ounces, 125 grams, diamond dots pre-sorted by shade, complete instructions, and that's in a whole bunch of languages. So let's go ahead and open this up. Are we taped? Yes, we are. Oh, we're taped twice. Looks like inside. Okay. Let's dump out what we got. Ooh, I see some fanciness going on. Ooh. Okay. So here we have the canvas. Add some sparkle to your world. And here we have all of our other goodies. Let's open this up. Let's see, how much did I spend on this? It was $39.99. Whoa, that is a heavy duty, pretty thing. Okay, so it comes in this pink bag. It says Diamond Dots at Home, 13 facet. So their diamonds have 13 facets. That's really pretty. Diamonds toolkit. This looks nice. This looks really nice. So we have a gray tray. It's actually pretty thick and sturdy. We have a Diamond Dots at Home. It says little at home wax pot. Comes with some baggies and this pen. Whoa. Yeah, I've never seen a pen like this before. This may be one of my fanciest pens that I have. Okay, so the tip has this pretty little sparkly gem. It has a nice, this is a pretty comfortable grip. It's gold, shiny, regular tip. Yep, I like that. I really do. Let's go ahead and set some of this garbage aside and look at the canvas. So the canvas is kind of, what's the word? Rough? It's not rough, it's hard, it's firm, strong. Has scalloped edging that will help prevent fraying, of course. Oh, there's the instructions in a lot of languages. Yeah, I'll say. There's steps 6 through 12. Steps 1 through 5. If you guys ever want me to spend more time reading some of this stuff, please let me know. I kind of try to mix it up a little bit with each video. I'm also willing to do a video where I'm just reading if that's something that you're interested in as well. Okay. The drill field looks nice. I can read what each of those things are. Let's see if I can't get this to flatten out a little bit. Okay, so here on the left we have the legend. Their serial numbers, grid signs, and diamond dot number. Diamond Dots does not use DMC, but there are conversion charts out there. Here in this corner you have the Diamond Dots logo. Down over here you have another legend. Down here it shows the name of the piece, Borealis, shows the size. This is a Shutterstock image, so it shows the ID number, and then it also says the fabric size. Let's have a look through the diamonds. Their packages are organized by the serial number. I think, yeah, serial number. So we have purple. That looks like black, but it could be a dark brown. Greens, purple. Yeah, this is gonna have a lot of purples in it. Blue. Yeah, blue, greens. It's a pretty teal color. This kit has a lot of pretty colors in it. I mean, pretty much they're all super pretty. So one of the things that I am hoping to do with this canvas is where all the stars are. What color are those supposed to be? Well, it actually looks like there's a few different ones. I think this one is probably 438043. Yeah. This is one where that most of them are. Diamond Dotz does have, hold on, let me get it and I'll show you. So Diamond Dotz does sell individually their colors. They also have ABs, and this right here, this is glow in the dark. So this one is just a white AB. But what I want to do is I really want to use these glow-in-the-dark ones, at least to replace some of the stars. I think that that will look absolutely gorgeous. So one thing I didn't mention is that this is a round drill. Diamond Dotz, up until recently, only had round drills. Now they're starting to do some where they have square drills, I believe. I haven't seen any, but that's what I've heard, and I think I may have seen one in the store. But anyway, so yeah, these are round drills, and I would like to read for you the description of this picture from the Diamond Dotz at Home website. It says, "The northern lights illuminate the peaceful forest with an indescribable palette of celestial colors." And you guys, the colors on this really are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. If you like purples and blues and greens, you know, teals, this would be a good choice for you. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and sign up for notifications if you'd like to see more of my videos. And I hope you have a good day. Thank you.